I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to share a photo album on your iPhone or iPad using iCloud shared albums. Sharing an album is a great way to let friends and family see your favorite photos and videos, and even allow them to add their own. Before getting started, you need to make sure Shared Albums is turned on. You can do this by opening the Settings app, tapping your Apple ID name, choosing iCloud, and then tapping Photos. Navigate down to the Album section and then make sure Shared Albums is toggled on. Once that is set up, here are the steps to share a photo album. Step 1. Open the Photos app on your iPhone or iPad and tap the Collections tab at the bottom of the screen. Step 2. Tap Albums on the next screen. A list of the photo albums on your iPhone or iPad is displayed. Step 3. Make sure the Shared tab is selected and then tap the plus sign at the top of the screen. The new Shared Album window opens. Step 4. Type a name for your shared album. Tap Add Participants and then add the email address or phone number of the people you want to share this photo album with. Tap the blue check mark after entering all of these users. Tap Create when you're finished. Step 5. Tap your newly created shared album to open it. Tap the plus sign inside the album to select the photos and videos you want to add, and then tap the blue check mark on the screen to add them. You can optionally add a comment before tapping Post to share them. As a quick tip, you can manage who has access to this album at any time. Just open the shared album, tap the ellipses at the top of this screen, and then tap the name of the shared photo album. You'll see the list of people who currently have access to this shared photo album. You can click Add Participants to add more people. Alternatively, if you see someone you want to remove, just tap their name and then tap Remove Subscriber. Tap Remove in the window that pops up, asking you to confirm you want to remove this user and delete this album from their device. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.